Aeolian pillars are tall, thin columns consisting of soft rock of various thicknesses formed as a result of the work of the wind, facing and destruction of the rock, which depressions of various shapes are formed during the destruction process. Dunes are sand landforms formed by wind accumulation. Usually, the term dune is applied to all sand accumulations regardless of zonal climatic and territorial conditions. The gentle slope of the dune faces the wind and has a steepness of 8 to 20 degrees, and the steep leeward slope is up to about 32 to 33 degrees for a slope composed of dry sand, and up to 40 degrees composed of wet sand. The height of the dune is from 5 to 30 meters or more. On the Curonian spit of the Baltic Sea in Lithuania, there is a known dune with a height of 58 meters. In Landes de Gascogne, on the coast of the Bay of Biscay or France, 97 meters. Depending on the mass of sand and wind speed, dunes can move in the direction of the prevailing wind at a speed of up to 10 meters per year. Within Ukraine, the dune relief is characteristic of certain areas of the Black Sea and Azov coasts, the left bank of the Dnieper Oleshki sands. Butte rocks. An isolated height, the remnant of a higher surface destroyed and lowered by the wind, are formed as a result of turning and grinding of harder rocks with small grains of sand picked up by the wind, usually common in rocky deserts. Plateau is a remnant with gentle slopes which is formed as a result of the destruction of the plateau by the wind. Mushrooms or Aeolian rocks are an Aeolian landform with a heterogeneous composition of rocks. The lower layers are softer, so they break down faster, and the upper layer of hard rocks remain wider, resembling a mushroom cap resting on a leg. They are found in many countries. In Ukraine, on the southern coast of the Crimea, there is a natural park, mushroom rocks, in the valley of the Sotera River. A mesa is a small platform that was formed as a result of wind action, blowing, destruction, and turning, which is composed of hard rocks and is limited by steep slopes. A yardang, or wind furrow, is a form of relief, a trough-like recess, up to 2 to 3 meters deep. Barken dunes are sand accumulations up to 30 to 50 meters high, which have a sickle shape and plan and are often considered as one of the directions of dune relief evolution. It is formed near any obstacle, a bush, a hill, etc. Single barkens are found only on hard ground with insufficient amount of sand. The pointed horns of the barkens are stretched along the dominant wind direction. The steepness of a long windward slope is 10 to 15 degrees, and a short leeward slope is up to 35 degrees. Sometimes the barkens, merging with each other, form barken chains, the length of which can reach 10 to 15 kilometers. The barkens and barken dune chains can move due to the transfer of sand from the windward slope to the leeward slope.